Hi together. I'm back in the garage finally and hope I will do some progress today. It's a while since my last video and yeah, I will tell you the story about that. You saw I had a flat lobe on my camshaft and this camshaft I had from TTA Performance. And yeah, I was writing him because of some warranty case, of course. And yeah, it was a bit of a longer story because about the lifters, he said there will be no warranty because the camshaft is not original style. It's a very mild one, but never mind that at the end I had to pay for a new lifters. And about the camshaft, it was, yeah, you have some warranty, but you need to send it back to US. And if you don't know, the shipping costs from Switzerland to US are so high. You can also buy a new camshaft. So I had to pay $100 and got a new camshaft. But this is not the end. It's that here. And yeah, let's start with that one. That one was the camshaft with the flat lobe here. And as a replacement, I got this one. And maybe you already see on this one, we have a major damage. Yeah. So, and this was also a problem because TTA Performance doesn't ship to Switzerland. So he needs to ship to a forwarding company, which is my responsibility, and they send it to Switzerland. And I got the camshaft like this, broken camshaft, and I wrote TTA Performance, but like I expected, there was immediately the question, who is the forwarding company, what they did they unpack it, and I didn't want to have that trouble with who is responsible, who will pay. I thought at the end nobody will pay. That's why I just bought another camshaft by Summit Racing itself. And yeah, this one came fast, but it's this one here. But I noticed on this lobe there is a little, the shape is not really nice. And yeah, I just was writing Summit Racing WhatsApp. They are very nice. They just wrote this shape should be no problem at all, but we will send you a new one immediately. This was really great. And so now finally I have this camshaft. This one looks pretty good. This I will put in the car and hope everything will go fine. On this one I was working a bit. I noticed that the shape of the lobe is pretty sharp. And so I was deburring every lobe here. Just in case this will be a problem, I was doing that work to minimize the risk that something goes wrong. So that's the story about my camshafts. So you see, I have a few here. There are the new lifters, and today I will put that camshaft in that engine and put everything together then.
Oh, I have the plans to take me miles away. Oh, I'm gonna get
So nice weather. Short update. The camshaft is back in. Like this. I was setting the valve lash very carefully, preloaded it a half of a turn. That is done. Of course, chain back in. And I greased everything like crazy. I don't want that the same stuff happens again. And I was checking every lifter. Every lifter is able to turn. So I checked this and I really hope this time everything will go well. Right now I will put everything together and nothing much to say. Just still a lot of work, but let's go ahead. It's enough work for today. I think I made a good progress. The intake manifold is back on, the valve covers are back on. Here the most of stuff is back in place. And also the AC radiator is back in place. And this one is a motherfucker to mount. I don't know how you guys doing that, but yeah, it was tricky. The distributor is back on, ignition should be good to start the car. Yeah, that's what I did today. I think in the next days I will build everything together. It will be in the same video, so just a cut and then it will go on.